issued a flood warning for small streams in Ashland County, Crawford County, southern Huron County, northern Knox County, northeastern Marion County, northeastern Morrow County, Richland County, northwestern Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, eastern Wyandotte County in northwestern Ohio, until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Flooding is already occurring in the warned area. Between 2 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Mansfield, Ashland, Bucyrus, Galion, Shelby, Willard, Ontario, Lexington, Crestline, Loudonville, New London, Belleville, Plymouth, New Washington, Hayesville, Savannah, Polk, Chatfield, Greenwich, and Butler. Flooding is occurring along the Black Fork Mohegan. The Black Fork comes out of banks upstream of the river gauge at 16.5 feet. Additional nuisance flooding may be possible across the warning area. Mohegan River will be at banks full through much of Loudonville. Some low-lying campgrounds near the river could see some minor inundation. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Holmes, Huron, Knox, Marion, Morrow, Richland, Seneca, and Wyandotte.